Today we have the 2020 Ford Focus ST line. This vehicle has done just under 37,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access 4Pass Connect, Android CarPlay, Valet mode and vehicle settings, mobile apps, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC, and if we press our driving mode button, we can switch between normal, eco and sport.